Good afternoon. And this is the International English Language Testing System taking place at British Language Institute. The exam is conducted by IELTS Fahim. As you know, there are three parts in the speaking test. In the first part, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. So, what is your full name?
My full name is Anisur Rahman Kamran. You can call me as my nickname Kamran.
Okay, do you work or study?
I am a student. I am a study at local college, Jagannathpur Degree College.
Okay, and what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is physics. It is very difficult. It is very interesting subject.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let's talk about another topic, which is teachers. Okay, do you want to be a teacher in the future?
I want to be a teacher in the future because it is my favorite dream. It was interesting job. It is professional job. There are so many people like this job.
Do you have a teacher from your past that you still remember?
Yes, I want to be a teacher in the past and remember. I can confidently, I will be able to teach her. It is very outstanding job. There are majority of the people like professional. It is professional job. There are so many people respect me.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Obviously, I have a favorite teacher. My favorite teacher name is Ranada Prasad Talukdar. In my childhood, my primary school teacher, he's inspired me and in my life, and he is enjoyable teacher in my life.
Okay, now let's talk about another topic, which is bikes. Okay. Did you ride a bike when you were little?
I rode a bike when I was little, and definitely the bike it's my favorite. And on my free time, I rode a bike in the main road and in my hometown, and majority of the time my relatives and friends and I ride a bike.
Okay, thank you. Are bikes popular in your country?
Obviously, bikes are all prominent in my country, and majority of the young people and I ride a bike because it is very essential and it is very necessary for everyone people.
Okay, do you often ride a bike now?
I often ride bike now in the evening time, and the time is very outstanding moment, and majority of the people ride a bike, and everyone essential for job, and it is very difficult riding. But my favorite bike is brand is Pulsar. It is very outstanding and it is natural.
Okay, thank you so much. Now let's move into part 2. So now you're going to have a cue card, and you have to describe the cue card for 1 to 2 minutes, and before that you will get 1 minute to think what you are going to say, as well as you can make notes if you wish. So your topic is describe a crowded place you have visited. Okay. This is a cue card. You may write down anything if you wish. Okay, can you please start now?
Throughout my entire life, I have plethora types of visited. Well, here I would like to talk about crowded place you have visited. Whenever a couple of 6 months ago, I went to with my friends and relatives go to Sylhet Alhambra shopping center. It is located Sylhet hometown, northern part of Bangladesh. Because with my relatives and my mother and father and neighborhood, and this time, and moreover it was very a traditional building, and it was religious and well prominent market in our Sylhet city. And because it is some expensive gift and some accessories, some clothes, and there are traditional dress and traditional expensive gift in our market. It's 5 floor in the market, and additionally this market is air conditioner room, and it is very the decorated is very nicely, outstanding perform. And I was in Sylhet with my friends, and it is a great moment in my life. And that time the view is overcrowded, and that time I just got stuck, my jaws dropped, eventual butterfly running my stomach, and it was very outstanding moment in my life. And I bought some accessories and sports things, and some balls and cricket balls, and some things, t-shirt and shirt and jeans pant, and it was very expensive. And my father always very happy, and my family also always very happy and very excitement. I fell over the moon, because I feel over the moon. And apart from that, this market is traditional, and majority of the people market it's like this. And it was a very outstanding moment in my life. It was a great experience in my life. It was a great happiness person in this whole world.
Thank you so much. Okay, now let's move into part 3. Do you think it is a good trend to have more big cities?
It can be both in big trends and both cities and well prominent, and it is valuable and sustainable and complexity their market. So it can be both and be popular, and there are so many people go to market, and some both accessories and some things. It is very expensive.
Thank you so much. Do you think there are some people who enjoy crowded places?
There are several reasons what I like the most. There are some individual and enjoyable things, because it is overcrowded place. There are so many restaurants and so many enjoyable TV sports and animation, and that time it was very outstanding moment. And there are many swimming pool in our market. This view was over amazing, and I feel over the moon.
Okay, thank you. Why do people go to crowded places?
There are several reasons what I like the most, and there are many people go to crowded place because it is very essential things, and it is very necessary for everyone people. It was great moment in everyone people.
Thank you so much. This is the last question for you. Which cities are overcrowded in your country?
Actually, Sylhet city is very overcrowded. It is very traditional. It is oil quite planet city. I remember it was very outstanding place. And I assume that it was very overcrowded. And for example, it was a very exceptional place, and it is very exceptional thing. And there are many reasons. For instance, it was very extraordinary and it is religious places, and there are many shrine and historical market, historical hospital in our hometown.
Okay, thank you so much. Here is finish your speaking test. Best of luck for you. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for watching this video. So আমরা এখন যে মক টেস্টটা নিলাম, উনি যে ক্যান্ডিডেট ছিল ওনার অনেক ভুল ছিল। ফর এক্সাম্পল, আমি কিছু কোয়েশ্চন করছিলাম উনি বুঝেনি নাই। তার মধ্যে একটি হলো, ডু ইউ হ্যাভ এ টিচার ফ্রম ইয়ার পাস্ট দ্যাট ইউ স্টিল রিমেম্বার? তোমার কি এমন কোনো টিচার আছেন যাকে তুমি এখনও মনে রাখো, যিনি অতীতের টিচার ছিলেন তো ও বলছে যে ইয়েস আই ওয়ান্ট টু বি এ টিচার, এরকম আনসার দিছে যে নিজে টিচার হতে চায়। তো পাস্টের যে টিচার ছিলেন ওনাকে ডিসক্রাইব করা হয় নাই, তো ওই কোয়েশ্চনটা অ্যাচিভ করতে পারে নাই। তো ওভারঅল আরও অনেক মিস্টেক ছিল, বেশিরভাগ মিস্টেক হয়েছে গ্রামাটিক্যাল মিস্টেক হয়েছে, রুলসগুলো ঠিকমতো বলতে পারে নাই। আর তারপরেও আলহামদুলিল্লাহ ভালো হয়েছে। তো আর কিউ কার্ডটা ডেসক্রাইব হয়েছে মোটামুটি ঠিক আছে, যেমন কিউ কার্ডটা ছিল ডেসক্রাইব এ ক্রাউডেড প্লেস ইউ হ্যাভ ভিজিটেড, যেটা তুমি ভিজিট করছো অলরেডি। হোয়েন ইউ ওয়েন্ট দেয়ার, উইথ হুম ইউ ওয়েন্ট দেয়ার, কার সাথে গেছিলা বা কখন গেছিলা। হোয়াট ইউ ডিড দেয়ার, ওইখানে যাওয়ার পরে কী করছিলা, ও বলছে যে শপিং করছে, এই সেই করছে, ঠিক আছে। অ্যান্ড এক্সপ্লেন হাউ ইউ ফেল্ট অ্যাবাউট বিং দেয়ার, ওইখানে যাওয়ার পরে তোমার কীরকম লাগছিল বা কীরকম অনুভূতি ছিল। তো আলহামদুলিল্লাহ মোটামুটি ভালো হয়েছে ডেসক্রাইব করাটা। তো আপনারা কমেন্ট করে জানাবেন যে এরকম স্পিকিং দিলে কতটুকু ব্যান্ড স্কোর আসতে পারে, ঠিক আছে। থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও। চ্যানেলটি সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন যাতে পরবর্তী ভিডিও পেতে পারেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।